So guess what? I've found another one of these, an MX-330 from Matsuura, installed here in the UK at AC Precision. We're going to find out what Tony thinks about his purchase. Tony, you're the owner of AC Precision. You purchased this machine a year ago. Talk to me about the journey of the investment.
We bought it to increase our capacity, do lights out machining, and start to break into a little bit more production, repeat parts, and multiple parts.
It's your first Matsuura though. It's a bit of a leap into a new brand that, you know, when you advance into this sort of technology, was it the right choice?
I think so. We looked at other products, we felt that this was a good price, good footprint, you know, limited space. Yeah, I think it's a good product.
The machining that you're actually doing, you used to be predominantly aluminium machinists, but of course the parts on here are not aluminium. Is this machine being put through its paces across the board?
It is. I mean, this is titanium we're machining. We've machined CDV6. We haven't had any problems. We tend to do the roughing during the day, finishing through the night.
And how has the unmanned running affected your business? How much has it improved the company?
I mean, it's certainly increased output throughout the months, you know, because we can do lights out machining. So it has improved it, no doubt.
Is there any concerns that come with that? For example, tool breakages, having to worry about coming in the morning to, you know, scrapped components. Are those things and fears that you have had?
It's got tool breakage detection on it, and when we get round to it, it will email us to say it has stopped and for what reason. So,
and when you look at the control system here, slightly different to the other machines that you're operating, does that have an impact for you, or is it easy to pick up, or, you know, how does that work?
It was fairly easy to pick up. Everything's programmed offline, so really it's just the loading and unloading and setting up of the machine that we need to
And the efficiency of the machine. Some VMCs and 5-axis machines can be less than 50% efficient as a result of having to load them and change things internally. Have you noticed a significant uplift in your efficiency on this machine, that spindle turning?
I think we have, yes. I mean, it's a fairly quick machine to set up, and the fact that you can run multiple parts on the same run with multiple tools, different tools. So yeah, I think we have.
And Matsuura as a supplier for you, Tony, been everything that you would have hoped for?
Yeah, they support us quite well, to be fair. Yeah.
Installation went smooth?
Yes, it did. Yeah, it took a long time, 5 days, but there you go.
Yeah. Would you have expected that with a machine like this, though?
Yes, I think there is a lot involved in it, because you're tying a pallet to a machine. Yeah. It's got to be level, it's got to be accurate.
And what about having the 10 pallets, Tony? You've got every single component on here is the same. Has that been your plan, or do you put different jobs on here?
No, it's definitely different parts on there as well. You know, sometimes Op1, Op2, or totally different parts. We have had a situation where we have 4 different jobs running out through the night.
Oh, really? But have you got enough tools to be able to do that?
We have. We tend to sort of put, you know, aluminium parts together, titanium parts together, and yes, we have got enough tools. It's only 90 tools, but it's enough.
It's more than enough. 5-axis simultaneous machining, are you doing that as well?
We have done, yes.
Right, okay, and how does it perform doing that?
Very well indeed. I mean, finishes are pretty good, you know. Yeah, it's been good.
Is it the most accurate machine in the shop?
Yes, I'd say it is. I mean, other machines are pretty accurate as well, but yeah, I'd say it is accurate.
First blue, could be a second blue, third blue.
Could be.